I expanded to eBay, but didn't want to do the shipping myself, so I had Amazon do it for me. So you can see here is the eBay listing. When somebody purchases from eBay, our Amazon FBA inventory automatically gets deducted. Amazon automatically ships it to eBay and even puts the tracking number into eBay. And it's all free. Other than the shipping, obviously. Shipping's going to cost money either way. But pretty much all you do is go to Map My Channel. Just Google it, Map My Channel. Should be the first one that pops up, mapmychannel.com. Just do login. And then you're just going to sign up. And I'm just going to do test 123 HH. Happy man 123 HH. And we're going to do that. And we're just going to sign up. And then all you're going to do is connect your eBay account and then connect your Amazon account. Once that's synced, the automation is going to take place. Now, for the automation to work, pretty much you need to make sure the SKU on eBay is the same SKU that's on your Amazon FBA inventory, right? So that way everything syncs. Once that's set up, then you're good to go. It's pretty much just the SKU. Now, when an order comes in, it's going to look like this. You can go to orders and it's going to say accepted. You can view it on Amazon. Once Amazon actually ships it, all of the tracking would automatically sync with eBay, and then eBay's automatically going to get notified and the customer is going to get notified of the tracking number. So it's super sweet. Also, if you go to integration, you can click edit right here to make sure that Amazon ships it in blank boxes so they don't know it's actually coming from Amazon. Awesome. And then turn on the statuses, make sure order sync, tracking sync, inventory sync, make sure everything's synced and good to go. Super easy, not extremely hard. And then you can go to plans. You'll see there are paid plans, but you can just downgrade to a free plan and it works just fine. Super easy to do. I highly recommend to try this out if you haven't tried it out yet. If you are having issues, you can go to our website, go to services, go to courses. It's also in our description. And I have a full step-by-step course that's way more in-depth than this one if you do need that extra help. Not only that, I also figured out how to connect Amazon to TikTok. And that one was a little bit more difficult, but I have a full course on how to sell on TikTok, how our clients made money on TikTok, and of course, how to connect your Amazon to TikTok. So completely up to you here, but that's just a little bit of a gist and a little step by step. If you want more Amazon or eBay videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, connecting your eBay to Amazon, or anything regarding Amazon and eBay, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us. One of our most popular services is our Amazon account management service. We'll not only help you manage your Amazon account, but we'll help you expand to TikTok, to Walmart, to eBay, to Etsy, connect everything to Amazon. So it's just a multi-channel marketplace to help you increase your sales. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, signing out.